Let's take a look at how to rearrange content items or move items around in the left-hand navigation bar. To start off, we want to switch on our edit mode. Once that's on, we'll scroll all the way to the far left of an item till the cursor changes to this move arrow. We can click, drag, and release. So I'm going to click this, drag it, release it at the bottom of module 2. Turn off our edit mode to see what it looks like. And as you can see, our items have been rearranged here. So aside from the items on the left-hand navigation bar, we can also move content within a module. So I'm going to click this, and then we can click and drag it up, down, click this one, move it back up. And that is how you rearrange items on the left-hand navigation bar or within a module.